So, hopefully, I guess we are live. So, yeah, I just found some free time today, and actually, let me just tell you what's up. I've actually been trying to code a whole social media app using my skills as a backend, front end, and DB developer. So it's been really cool. It's been really fun. I'm calling the the me platform Noob Social, which yeah, it keeps in theme with the rest of uh, my projects. And yeah, this is just my attempt to build a simple social media network, not the next Twitter. Definitely not the next Twitter. As you can see, I just made the initial commit yesterday. It's hot off the press. It's new. So yeah, I'm trying to do this new thing where I'm following all the best practices, trying to sort of, you know, make a social media platform. And yeah, I'm working on the backend for now, uh, which you can probably see is written mostly in Go and all in Go, not just mostly. And yeah, I'll also be working on the front end soon. For now, as you can the API.go, as you can see, I have the auth and the creation, post creation and stuff. But other than that, I don't really have much there. So yeah, I still have to work on this a lot. But it's been many days since I lead coded, so we'll be doing this. And also, I don't even know if this still exists of mine, but a long time ago I had actually planned on doing something with the Euler project. With Euler project, if you don't know, is like this uh, the math thing that you solve. You programmatically solve math basically. It has math questions that are way too impossible to solve IRL, but using computers you can solve quite easy, right? So first I'll be trying my hand at Leetcode, and if Leetcode fails me, or I fail Leetcode to be honest, we'll be shifting to the Euler project, right? So with that, let's go on to Leetcode. I have VS Code open, and I'll have to disable Copilot, and yeah, we have that stuff. And let's go to problems and see today's problem if it is solvable at all. For me at least. Appearance is system default. mm, Painting the walls, which is a hard program. Yeah, I'm in a mood to do a little bit easy ones. And oh no, not this, that was problem set slash all. Sorry. There you go. I guess difficulty is easy. Mhm. Status is there any way I can? No, I can't. Okay, that's fine. I've solved most, and oh, this looks interesting. Uh, let's go into the more unknown parts, and yeah, Fibonacci number. Let's solve this. Fibonacci number commonly denoted by, okay, so that's the sum of the Fibonacci sequence. So yeah, let's do this so that I feel good about myself. But yeah, Fibonacci number. It'll be a pity if I'm not able to solve this. I mean, I've been trying my best to improve my skills in uh, this, but like Fib of 4. Get up, Copilot. Nope, I don't know. No, you're still existing? No, you're not. Good. Right, return type isn't. Cool. So, first things first, I can go like, if the sum is 0, total sum or something like that, right? And we want it to be like the series 0 commas, am I right? Oh, no, it's like 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. So we can take something like the initial is 0, right? And then, so if like n is 4 for nothing in range of n, right, t sum plus equal to initial and initial plus equal to t sum. Can I do something like that? I know this is wrong. So initially it's 0, t sum will be 0. Okay, or can you just do something like this, like second is 1, like t sum is initial and initial gets added to second and then second, no, something like that. No. So t sum becomes 0, then initial becomes 1, right? Initial becomes 1 and that's added to t sum, and for the range 2 that shows correct. Now range 3, so t sum is now 1, initial is 1, t sum becomes 2 and initial becomes initial, and then like second is like second is initial, I guess it's something like that, right? So if this goes 0 first, so t sum becomes 0, second no, that's not how you do it at all. Right. So this approach, I mean, using a simple for loop, I guess I can get this done, but I'm just not able to figure out how, and I'm not able to figure out a simple Fibonacci sequence. So now like these are little misleading. How about we say first is 0 and like second is 1, right? And for star in range of n, first we add right, so the second becomes first becomes second, right? So first becomes second and then second becomes, or okay, wait, you can say like temp is second and then second becomes first plus second and then first becomes temp. Oh my god, this is so messy. So first the temp is 1 and then the second becomes 1 again and then the first becomes the temp, which is 1, which is correct. Okay, and then the temp becomes 1 again. No, yeah, it becomes 1 again, right? And then the second becomes the 1 plus 1 2, and then the first becomes 1, right? The temp becomes 2, 1 plus 2 3. Okay, right. Yeah, that has essentially made the sequence. So now if I just go on printing the first every time, I hope, let's see if that works. uh yeah, 1 2 3. Print that there. Actually, now run that. 0 1 2 2 none. There you go. So if I do it from 10, yeah, 8 yeah, this is the Fibonacci sequence. There you go. Like t sum plus equal to Oh, no, no, no. Not, that's not what we have to remove. I'm sorry. This is such a messy implementation. I don't even want to begin trying to sort this. Return dsum. Okay, so uh, um, what? Oh. So what should be the answer for 2? For 2, it should be 1. For 3, it should be 2. For 4, it should be 4. Watch the L. Mhm. Maybe this is the wrong approach. Like, maybe like we go fibs is something like that. And then we append the fibs, like fifth dot append the first, right? And then we return the fibs. But what then? 0, 1, 1, 2. But it is correct. But that's not what was asked in the question. Hmm. They want it purely to be f of 3 plus f of 2. Right. So how about we define another function called construct the fib, that is a self in n, right? Mm-hmm. That does all of this, I guess. So then the tsum becomes the first. Return self dot config of n comma n less n minus 2. 2? That's wrong. Wait, what do you give for 2? 2 is 0? Oh, right. Can I just print that for me before you go? 0 and 0? Right. 0 is obvious. But then there is 1. And since that is 1, how about we put that there? That should dramatically change that. There you go, it's 1 and 0. What we wanted. 3 now, which is 1 and 1. Perfect, we wanted that. 2 and 3, which is what we wanted. I guess we have our solution. And that is not at all messy. Just kidding, that's the messiest one. So run that. Hopefully that Leetcode got accepted. And hopefully we don't run out of memory, which is a very good possibility. Uh, so like if n is 1, it obviously like runs out 0 and 0. But like, what do you want? Like the output to be 0, but why do you expect it to be 1? It's no sense. Fine. Like if n is 1, return 1. We can add that simple line there, and that will solve half the problems. And, there we go. 13 milliseconds run time, baby. 13 memory. Oh, maybe I don't flunk at programming as much as I think I do. This is a pretty cool solution. I'm glad I did it. Uh, is there any way I can copy this link, or there used to be a option where I can copy the solutions link, but I think they removed that. Like submissions, like see this submissions is where I can do stuff like that, and there's no okay, so what I can do is want a quick workaround. This is my submission ID, so yeah, this is the submission. It used to show this cool little thing there, but now I guess I can just go to submissions slash that ID. Hopefully that is generated for me. Yes, that is generated. Oh, there I am. Beats 91% of users. How did most users do it? They did it the old-fashioned stack way, which stacked users don't do it. Whereas I'm here, I used a simple for loop. Is that me? Yeah, it is sort of similar to my approach. Sort of. See, I told you, going out, going back works. So yeah, let's look for more. Uh, say that is done. How do I do that? Submissions. Yeah, right there. Best time to buy until the stop. Well, this will do it in the last. Seems interesting. Number of recent call. Valid mountain array. Wonder what that is. Given array return if it is a valid. Recall that if only length of array is greater than or equal to 3, there exists some I such that array of I is what? Alright, so we need to find such that find the loop. How about we split the array at the local maxima, right? And oh, wait, I forgot to do the mandatory stream check, if my stream is actually working, because you never know. Oh, there you go. I guess that is. We split the array at the local maxima, right? And oh, wait. Yeah, it is working. Sorry for the disturbance. Well, I'm sorry. I have a really bad cough today. Probably should not be recording a video, but it's fine. Well, valid mountain array. You seem interesting. Let's do you. Is my laptop ever going to forgive me for putting it through so much? I don't know. Oh, but it's relatively cool. I'm using this special table that has like a fan underneath, so hopefully that protects my laptop a bit. But you never know, like don't overwork your laptop too much. Like, come on, 2,1, yep. So the way I think about this is, let's split it into what definitions did he gave us? 3 definitions, right? The first one will be done locally. So if like array, oh, sorry, okay, if length of array is less than or equal uh, uh, is less than 3, like, return false immediately, no considerations, right? Def check increasing and pass in the array and the num, right? And the num is this thing, and like check decreasing, pass in the array and the num, and if all of these pass, the whole class returns true, right? That would be a really simple approach to take here, and hopefully that does not destroy our memory space as well, right? So first things first that we need to do is we want to identify the max number that's occurring in the array, right? So hopefully we have like a max function that we can pass in the array, and like hopefully when I print out max num, I'm not really good with, like, I didn't really have the memorized things that Python does, so I mostly end up just running it. That's why I've installed this code runner extension. I'm quite loving it actually. It's making my job much easier. Uh, yeah, okay, so the maximum number we found was 3. Excellent. So now, can you print out is, oh sorry, self dot is check increasing of the array split till the num, or split till the max num. And you know what, you don't need to do anything, just return the array to me. How about that? Right, and run that now. Oh, solution object, what's wrong with you? Why are you giving me an object, bro? Like, what? You know that is like returning the array. That's not fair. Okay, okay. Before we pass in, let's just check. I'm not really good with Python slicing either. So, oh no, that's not how that works. Okay, let me just pass in the array and the max now. Right. Okay. For I and for Lector. Oh wait, give me a second. I have to check my notifications. Uh, yeah, nothing. I just can continue. And I guess GitHub Lite is a bit overused at this point. How about that? Nah, GitHub Lite it is. And I'm using light theme because, well, it's proven that even if it is not proven per se, I just found it. I just found that when I use light mode, even if it is in low quality, my stream looks to be in high quality. So that, oh, I didn't know there was like a Bruno panel. That's cool to know. You can have some pets to enjoy. Meanwhile, let's get in a rush. Oh, what is their symbol called, like the mascot? What is it called? Anyone? No, no, no. What is it called? It's called something. Let me just call it Rusty. Hey, Rusty. Oh, that is Rust. That's so cute. Let me get in more. Let's also get in like a rubber ducky, colored duck. Yeah. No duck. I'm sorry. I removed the duck. I didn't kill it. I hope. So. Oh, let's get in. What is a cockatiel? Ah, bird. That's cute. Yeah, you all guys play with each other there. Oh, that sounded wrong. Let's play there. For I or like for I comma num in iter array. Is that so? No, while like I is less than like length of the array, right? I is equal to 0. I find while loops to be bit better than for loops. I end up messing for loops a lot. So not for loops in Rust though. For loops in Rust are awesome. That's it. Right. If in any instance array of I is greater than array of I plus 1, return false. Oops. Else return true. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. And how about we add a and condition like and the array of I is not equal to the target. Then you return false. Or else you don't. Like print is self dot is check increasing array and the max. No? Right. Clear the output from that. Takes in two positional arguments, but three were given. Oh right, this is not self. There was no self there. Right. Oh right, that'll never stop because yeah, there you go. While I is less, I think less is the right one. False. Why false? Print the array of 5 where you found that to be true, sir. 2? What 2? But you already reached the target. Like you reached the target, bro. Oh, just give me a second actually. Ah, let me just pause. Well, thanks for bearing with me. That could have been embarrassing if you guys would have listened to it. Let me just check if you guys did listen to it. I don't know if I should keep opening up my stream every time, but uh, like I is less than while I is less. Uh, oh, just give me a second actually. Ah, let me just pause. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's it. Thanks for bearing with me. So, well, yeah, 2 was causing the trouble even though I said and what? Like the array of I is the problem? print that out, but like I is 2. Like the array of 2 is 2. But why did it progress there in the first place? Like if I is greater, you want that to stop immediately. Oh, right. But isn't that true? Like, mm, okay, how about this? Like, if array of I is equal to the target, like, return true immediately. And just break, like, break. Oh, same thing, same thing. How about that now? Hopefully now that's true. Right, but now if I pass in the target as 2, for instance, that should return false, and that does return false, which proves the logic. Good. Now check decreasing, same thing, but oh, this is star. Right, if that is equal to target, like, is there any way I can just reverse the string? And no, 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 no. Okay, so like what n can be the length of array? Oh my god, so many gymnastics. uh, right, so it should start from 0 there. mm, it should start from 0. Oops, let me just check my messages. Give me a second. mm, I just have to just respond to some texts, so give me a second. Mhm. Hopefully my stream is working. Right, so where were we? Yeah, we have done check increasing successfully. Now all we have to do is do the check decreasing as well, which hopefully is a bit easier or harder. Well, we don't want it to check if you wanted to check from the target, right? But like check decreasing. Mm, wanted to check from the from that, like, is there any way we can like split that to be like the uh, array dot, no, 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 we can't do that. How about this? No, no, no. Can I do that? How about we say, like, we just can't do that, I guess. uh, I need to come up with some other way. Yeah, if the array of I is less than the target, can I do that? I don't think I can do that. But my problem is, what if there are like two maximums in a array? Then that would cause problems, won't it? I mean, I can just take like n is equal to array dot like index. No, how do I do that? Array dot which dot like uh, how to get the index of an element in an array. I'm sorry, this is not officially ChatGPT, but okay, you just do index of. Cool, cool. You do array dot index of the maximum. Okay, and then you send in n as well, which this should accept as the target. Right. This is really confusing code, but hopefully that works. If like I is less than the target, pass. But if it is not and like array of I is less than, keep increasing, I guess that should work. It should give me a true. No one gives me a false. Why does it give me a false? Can you print n for me? N should be 1. N is 1. Also, print I whenever you're passing that. Oh no, just yeah, give that. How about yeah, I is both. But like I never comes to 1, or like I is obviously less than or equal to 1, so we are printing it and passing it. Like why is it not showing up then? Yeah, Python, that's fine. Maybe I should on type checking, I'm not sure, but it's fine. Why am I not able to fill up the decreasing route? How about I just split the array from n, right? And then I do like while I is less than the length of the array, if array of I is greater than array of I plus 1, oh sorry, it's less than array of I plus 1, you return false, or else you return true and do I plus equals 1 while you're at it. How about now? Yeah, I don't need the target. It's okay. uh, Index out of range. How about that? True. Perfect. Now if I pass 4 here, that hopefully returns a false. Perfect. Hence, any other conditions I have to satisfy here? Any other conditions? Well, I guess not. So return self dot check increasing array comma maximum and self dot check decreasing array of from n, right? And that should return true. And if I take this thing like 3 comma 5 comma 5, that should returning a false apparently. That returns a true. Why do you return true? Yeah, equals is also true. Why the hell is that true? Like, wait, it does not go in the loop at all. How about we write like a little statement, right? Like if array of I equal to array of I plus 1, return false. How about then? What? Oh, even that sort of false. I think that is why we have to return the target, right? Or array of I equal to target, you return that, which makes it significantly easier for our program to mix and match, I suppose. No, you're not supposed to return true. But like array of I is okay, okay, fine. Like if array of I is star, like return false. I don't want to do anything. Why are you still returning true? Obviously, the array starts from 1. And the array itself for me? Oh, that's wrong. That's so wrong. Yeah, 5 comma 5. That was so wrong. Uh, Finally, some sense. Does that mean like 0 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1 was false? Yeah, why is that false? Enlighten me. 0 and 1. Yeah, but like 0 and 1 is not supposed to be there. Yeah, there is 3, 2, 1, which is awesome. Cool, good for it. Okay, I don't need that. How about that, perhaps? And along with that, like if array of I is target, like return false. That line is a good combo. True, 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 true. Now. False. Awesome. Uh, this should work like 3 comma 4, 2 comma 1. That should return true. There you go. What else? 2 comma 1 should return immediate false. Awesome. I guess we have our solution. Run there. There we go. Submit and wait for our first error. Yep. Huh. Interesting. I forgot to account for that. if the length of the array itself is 0, use that test case please. uh, yeah, what do you expect from the test case? Like, that'll be helpful? That's beyond the point. Return false. Return self dot check increasing. uh, uh, how about I just write it here. if if the length of array of n is equal to like 0, return just that. Maybe that will fix it. Mm-hmm. Still this sort of range, but you're not supposed to proceed at all. Okay, okay, it won't be 0 obviously, it'll be 1. It'll be 1. Please, please, please. There you go. Oh, so you don't expect anything. So you just expect a nice false, which is quite easy. Like if I just do uh, like length of array is 1, return false. Actually, just write it in a one liner if the length of array equals to 1. Mm-hmm. Run that. What? Oh right, I should not engage it at all, let alone uh, let alone do that. You wanted to exit immediately before that's even triggered. That would return error, won't it? I have unnecessarily complicated the whole thing, but let's see, this should be a pretty fast this thing. Yeah, right, let's wait for the next error. There we go. mm, what's the matter in this? Okay, 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 so the same thing, but like all of them are decreasing, right? I guess we have, let's just modify the increasing code as well to start from n, right? um, can you just print the array for me initially? Just print self dot check increasing, not decreasing. uh, not for this, for this. Not no. Let's just provide a good case for testing. There you go. Yeah, no need of the tar. I guess need of the tar. Max now. Mm-hmm. Just 3. That's sad. It sort of makes sense. If the length of the array is just 1, like return, and the array of 0 is equal to sorry, is less than the tar, return return array is less than touch. Mhm. Else, if that's not the case, for let's say something like 1, 2, 3, mm-hmm, I is equal to 0, and like while I is less than the length of the array minus 1, if the sorry, if the array of I is greater than or equal to like array of I plus 1, or the array of I is equal to target, return false, and then do I plus equal to 1, and then finally return true. True. Whereas if I put something like 5 there, that should immediately return true. What? Oh, no, 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 but oh no, not that, not that. That. What happened? That just did not process at all. Oh, right, right. That should still be less than. Yeah, I get the point. I get the point. Oh, false. I had nothing to worry about. Alright, so now to the final, for the one with the problem. That runs nothing because, like, if the length of the array is 0, then just return false. Don't think much, bro. There you go. Uh-huh. And the maximum, which perhaps submit. There you go, one more wrong answer. Well, it's at least 50 passed, so output is true but expected false. Why did you expect false? Obviously 7 will get pointed out, and then this becomes the array and that becomes the array, but oh, like, but array of I is not equal to target, so that should not give any issue. But then what's the problem? How long has it been since I'm streaming? Oh, live for an hour. That's cool. mm, you know what, useless, just print I. Boom. Print the I, bro. Oh, so now you're saying that none got passed in there? You want me to check? The fourth. 3, 5, 4, 5 got passed. And this case will not suffice. Neither will this. So we have to go into that case. Mm-hmm. Oh, right. This is not a particularly good solution because it does not account for, like, bro, of course it accounts for it. Like, you have to return false here. Like, what? No, don't return true. Print the I there. There's no I? Why is there no I? What can we do here? How about? No, that won't be cool. Uh, Actually, no, 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 not like that as well. You know what? Why am I not like array of 0 is obviously greater than or equal to 1. We'll print the I here. What was there a 0? And then just no, 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 oh no, not return true everywhere. Like wow, that's beyond delusional. That's delulu. Whoa. Yeah, now it makes sense. All because of a little indentation that's almost illegal. I wonder how the test case is still 50 passed. Like wow. Oh, this is not the most optimal solution. But that's okay. That's okay. Can give myself a little slack. Huh. Now, let's see. Mm, I actually go and take a little break for, let me set a timer of around 15 minutes. How about that? 10 minutes, yeah, 10 minutes break. Till that time, is there like any cool thing I can keep you guys engaged to? Like, uh, is it music for programming.net or what is that? Mm, yeah, let me just keep that on for a while so that I can let's do some other stuff for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back, solve some more lead code. Mm, yeah, hopefully that plays. Yeah, there we go. Uh, yeah, weird. This right. Hello, hello. Welcome back. So here I am. I just had a little work to do. Let's see if the stream is still going on. Hopefully it is. That thing did not hurt it. Hello, hello. Welcome back and yeah, that was. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How about this? Number of recent calls. Right. So you have a recent counter object will count number of recent requests within the current time frame. Implement the recent counter class. That's okay. So ping, 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 ping. Okay, and how is that input even given? Okay, so that's how it's given. Uh, pages. Okay. Return 1 comma 0. Wait. Specifically return the number of requests that have happened in inclusive range of. Oh, this is interesting. Ah, so it's sort of like a application type thing. Number of recent calls. There you go. 5. Oh no. Uh, Put that in. Settlement in block. I know. Self dot t is. Okay. Self dot. What do I call it? Rex, I guess. Rex is cool. Add that to the workspace settings so don't get thrown that error every time. Please add R type to the workspace settings. Uh, oh, the VS Code is not registered to the .git ignore. Well, it is. Then, then why is it dot VS Code? Um, okay, so that is already read. I can't do much. Hmm. Okay, that's fine. Huh. How about we initialize that as an array and mm, not really getting what's happening here. Mm, okay. Self.rex.append t and then return I for I in range t minus 3000 to well t. Oh, hopefully that works. So the solution is the new solution object, or no, like the recent counter object dot. Okay, just the new initialization, and then like print solution dot ping one. Uh, then next ping one again. Oh no, the ping 1100 this time. Then ping 3001 this time, and then 3002 this time. Right. So run that. I get no. Uh, I for I in range. Okay. No. Uh, hmm, is uh, for I in range t minus 3000 to t. If I in self dot requests, uh, like let's take a result object, and then like result no result dot append the I and then like finally return the result object. Will something like that work? Null, okay, null 1 comma 100, but return the length of the result, I guess. 0 first, to here, to here. Mm, what now? There we go. Null 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully this is all it takes. Embrace for the... Wow, that's cool. Submit it. Um, Hopefully you give me a memory error and then I shout at you. Yeah, you gave me a memory error. Hmm. Well, that's still weird. Guess using that is a bad approach. Uh, I mean, having the range is the same thing. So for uh, like, can I just do that? How about I take the load to be 3 to be t minus 3000 and the high to be t plus 1, right? So for the elements in self.regs, if the elements, oh sorry, for element, if the element is in the range of low comma high, then append the result to the element and then return the result, and that hopefully still works. Good. Return the length of the result. This should significantly reduce the the runtime, but I'm not sure. I'll just have to look up a few solutions on how to reduce the runtime, because that big of a problem should give me a lot of headache. And no, it's still not passing the runtime. These are way too many. These are way too many requests, and having to parse through all of that is not the easiest. Mm, so I guess we should not use the for loop at all. Hopefully the inputs all seem to be uh, in ascending order, so that's good. I mean, they should be in ascending order because they are requests, they are like ping times, so they're all in ascending order, which is good. So how about I split it into two arrays and then use the arrays to map them both. No, I don't think that would be feasible. Mm, no, that would not be feasible, like at all. Uh, that's really weird. How about now we obviously do have like a low and high. Like, is there any way we can cut off all the elements that are not? But that would be even harder of an operation than just checking if the element is part of the range. But what if I don't need to check the range? What if I just check if the lowest and the highest in the requests are less than the given this thing, right? Right. So for the, is this how I should do it? Mm, no, a while loop will also be heavier, right? Low num. No, that's not how it goes. Wait, like for element in requests, like if the element is less than the low value, sorry, if it's greater than the high value, and it is like less, it's like less than or equal to the high value, I see no problem in appending that to the result. Right. This should still give me the correct result. 1, 2, 3, 3. Right. So all along I had no need to check everything when I could have just done that. There you go. Hopefully I done that now and it's a little bit happier. Hey, it is happy. And the runtime should be significantly low. But it still has to pass through the for loop, so it has a minimum runtime of on. And oh, thank god that got accepted, but damn, it's 8 seconds. That's really slow. But it still beats, oh, it just beats 5% of the Python users. uh yeah, let's go to the editorial and the submissions. Right, that's not what I was looking for. 76. Oh, that was just a queue. That was so easy. Oh, that's actually genius. That's genius. I have to revisit this later. Uh, revisit. Revisit. Uh, well, at least for now, I was able to clear that. So something is better. Find the town judge. Complement of pay partition with equal sum. Huh, might be interesting. Should I pay for the premium? I don't know. Find judge. In a town, there are n people labeled from 1 to n. There's a rumor that one person, one of these people, is secretly the town judge. If the town judge exists, then the town judge trusts nobody. Everybody except for the town judge trusts the town judge. There is exactly one person that has a property 1 and 2. You are given an array trust where trust of I is AI comma AB, representing the person labeled AI trust the person labeled AB. Right. If a trust relation does not exist, the trust relation does not exist. Whether there are two people and A trusts B. Right. But two trusts nobody. And one trusts three and two trusts three, but three does not trust anybody. So one has a mapping with one has a mapping with three, two has a mapping with three, but since three does not have a mapping with any of the array numbers, it essentially does not trust. Okay. So in the third case, one trusts three, two trusts three, and 3 trusts 1, but 2 does not trust anyone, so 2 is the judge. Oh, right. 2 trusts 3. Yes, sorry. Okay. They all trust each other. They are one big happy family. Uh, ah, quite cool. Interesting. Uh, that what's PT? I This is bothering me so much. What is the Rust mascot? God. Uh, yeah. Mm, the logo is the crap. Oh, Ferris. Go mascot is go for, and that's Ferris. There you go. That's Ferris right there. Play ball. Okay, and I need to pass in two people, and the trust is 1,2. Right. Quite simple enough. Let's think. Let's think. Hash map. The trust map for array in trust. Mm, if array of 0, there are only two, so if trust map dot array of 0 is not equal to none, oh sorry, if trust map dot uh, get array of 0 uh, trust map dot array of 0 is equal dot append is that how you do it? Uh, no. Dot append. Let's just hope I figure this out in the next one. If it does not exist, trust map of array of 0 is equal to a new empty array with array of 1 right there. Right? Now just print the trust map for me. Oh, oops. if one has a relation with 2. Right. So in like the best case, this one is apparently the best one he can offer me. Uh, to that and like 3 people. Yeah, so one has a relation with 3, two has a relation with 3. So one simple step that we can do is like for I in oh sorry like people has I for I in range 0 comma n, right? For person and people, if not, no sorry, if dot person, if not person, return person. So this in the sense should return 3 right now. I guess I have to use get. What, 0? Oh right. 3. There you go. As simple as that. How easy was that? How cool was that? Oh, so this is essentially just a mapping, but what if now 3 also trusts 1? Yeah, as demonstrated there, we are returning nothing. So else return -1. Cool. One trusts 2. That's 2. So it should return 2. There you go. So trust map. Each town should have a trust map. Uh, there you go. Leetcode. Hopefully you're happy. There you go. 29 milliseconds. Not bad. Wrong answer. Like one trust 2, two trust 3. Uh, one trusts 2, right? And 2 trusts 3. Right, but one does not trust 3. And here, let's also create like the rest of if person not in trust map dot. Hmm, that how you do it? For item and trust map, if person and item dot values, uh, item return return person. Right. Right. That was, hopefully this returns -1 because it won't find 2 there, but still returns 3. Like what? Mm, instead of this, like, for item in trustmap.keys. Okay, can you just like print the item for me? Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, can you print out this for me? 2 and 3. Not in, return -1, else finally return the person. Don't just assume. Exactly. But a trust map like this, where it is in everyone's goodwill, 3 will be returned. Cool, so you need to have the goodwill of people as well, I guess. So with that, judge. Wrong answer again. I forget to add this edge case every time. Like, if length of trust is equal to 0, return -1. Please submit now. Wrong answer again. But, okay then. Like, fine. You don't trust anyone, I guess. Use test case, like, return the n. Mm, mm, wrong answer again. Okay, right. I mean, you just returned one. How in the person did you return one? I mean, yeah, that's sort of true, but one is not trusted by anyone. So I guess the best system for this will be something like that. If return minus one plus. Hmm. Uh, hmm. Uh, hmm. No idea how to do that. I mean, like, yeah, if N is one does not trust anybody, so okay, like, what would be the trust map in this case? Like, right. I think I got the gist. Yep. hmm If N is greater than one and trust map is like nothing, return minus one. I guess this simple two-liner should solve the problem. Right. I mean, we obviously first have to check, and then that simple two-liner should solve the. I mean, like, what? Return outside the function? It's inside the function, bro. What? Hmm. Yeah, this is full. This should run. One trust three, one trust four, one trust three, one trust four, even two trust three. But one trusts four as well. But four does not trust three. So many edge cases. Like 90 of them passed. Mm, I mean, what what could be going wrong in this? Like, let's put this. Let's forget about that. Let's put this here. Run that. 3. Why is it? Does 4 trust 3? No, it doesn't. One trust 3 and 4. Two trust 3 and 4. Right, if not, that one you passed. Right. And now print the and now print the item. Right. Item is 1 and 2. Right. Okay. And also for person in, like, don't just end it there. Like for like the person and people, like, also add a trust map of uh, like trust map of the person to be just empty, right? So now it returns -1 because it knows something is false, or else the person was not being entered into the brain, the processing at all. Bro, bro, that's basic. One trusts true, one trusts two, and like two does not trust two. And item is not equal to the person, right? Or else it'll all be. And item is not equal to the person, right? Only then that'll work. Or if I do that, my son, no, like, print the item. The item and the person. What? What? Like, it is equal. Print person equal to item. That should result in true. Then why are you not passing by? Like, print the person that caused that, can you? 1 caused you to return -1, but like 1 is equal to item. Bring the person here. See, but I told you to. Oh, it's continue. 1 and 1, but I asked you not. Okay, okay, that's fine. Can you please print the trust map? 1 trusts nobody. Oh, if trust map dot get person, if not trust map dot get person, trust map of person, trust map of the person is not. Well, that's fine. I satisfied one more condition. Nothing wrong. Test is 5. Is where that was the problem, right? Please work. Oh, oh, so that works. Don't know. We've done that. And yeah, it has passed all the test cases, although runtime is 30 milliseconds, which oh, that's so slow. That's so slow. I need to improve my. Oh, that's so slow. How did most users do it? Oh, okay. They wait. This looks like uh. Okay, they used BFS. That's cool. But there's no editorial solutions like community based. Hmm. Okay, default dict. Mm, that's cute. Uh, isn't a set. Okay. Wow, that's way too complex, bro. Single hash. Oh, Golang. Okay. You make a map. The leaders. Hmm. This is nearly like C. That's cool. Anyhow, we did at least do that. And oh, I'm not doing this right now. That and that will be for the next stream. I'll be taking a short break. After that, we'll be building my social media platform, backend, Noob Social. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back after taking a small break. You'll hopefully get a notification when I stream next. If you did stumble across this stream, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. With that being said, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. This is me solving like 4 LeetCode problems and being really proud. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye bye.